We're here in Central Collegetown at Ace's Apartments. We've come up 2 flights of interior stairs to get to the 3rd floor of this building, and we're going to go on in and take a look at apartment number 3. So this is a 6-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. Let's go on in. We'll start with the living spaces first, and then we'll take a look at the bedrooms. As we come in, to our left is going to be the kitchen and the living space. You can see over here, this is a gorgeous renovated kitchen. They did a really nice job with this. We've got stainless appliances. There's that refrigerator, the dishwasher, the sink with a sprayer. There's a microwave. And look at it, there's a ton of cabinet space here in this renovated kitchen. And I want you to notice here, this one has a gas stove. This is one of our very few gas stoves in any of our properties here in Collegetown. We mostly have electric stoves, so this is a nice feature to have here. Let's go on and take a look at the living room space. So that's over here. We've got the TV. You've always got your seating areas, and we've got the dining table and chair. This is a nice open concept. There's a lot of ways you could set your furniture up here in this apartment. So this is a long apartment, and so we have a long hallway. We're gonna go down the hallway and we'll see the bathroom set areas first, and then we'll come back and do the rooms. So as we're going down, this white door on our right is where we came in, and then let's go take a look at the bathrooms. This first door here on our right is the half bathroom. A half bathroom is a toilet and a sink, and it's got a medicine cabinet and a vanity here. So a toilet and sink and a half bathroom. Let's go see the full bathroom. That's the next door we've got going along here. Okay, and this bathroom was renovated, so we have a renovated full bathroom here. So we've got a nice countertop, a nice set of cabinets underneath. You've got towel racks, and let's go see let's get in there. There we go. This one has a full standing shower. I like that it's the full width, so it's definitely that larger size standing shower, so that's nice here in the full bathroom. Let's go see the next. So this is the other half of the full bathroom. This will be the shower room. So this is just a shower in here. So this is nice. So you can have multiple people in here using the bathroom areas at the same time. So this is the single width standing shower here in this room at the back. So that's our bathroom setup. Then as we go by, we'll see that washer and dryer. So that comes with the apartment. Washer and dryer for your laundry. There's a door back here. This goes to the fire escape, but let's go out and take a look. I want you to see the gorgeous views from out here. So you are allowed to come out here. You can't store items out here. This is intended as a fire escape for the building, for the apartments, but you're certainly welcome to come out here and see this gorgeous view. Over to the right, that's looking towards the north. We can see Cuga Lake. You can see it especially well. Whoops, there we go. You can see it especially well in the winter when the trees aren't so full, but you can see a piece of lake over there. So it's a gorgeous view. You can get sunsets, and it's really pretty. Let's go. There we go. All right, back. Let's go back in, and let's start to see the bedrooms. So as we come in back here, this is where the bedroom windows are for room A, so you're kind of seeing them from the outside. Let's go on through. We'll take a look at the rooms. Especially important to notice for this apartment is that all the rooms will have different setups for closets and shelving. So let's take a look as we go through here. So room A, this is at the back or the west end of the apartment. This has a double window facing west, so it's definitely nice bright afternoon sun. This is a large room. This one will have a freestanding storage storage closet space here like this. So it's a freestanding one that can move a little bit. And bookshelf and a regular bookshelf. We are directly across from the shower room. Let's go see room B. That's the next room. This next set of 3 rooms will all be interior rooms. As you know, this is a long apartment, and the 3 interior rooms are just looking at the building next door. This one has a couple nice features. I really like this mirror that they have, which is located in front of the bed. So that's a huge mirror. It really brightens it up in here. So we're in an interior room. We don't have a view to anything other than the building next door. You can open the window, but you're not gonna get views of streets or things like that. This one has a closet over here, which is a built-in closet, but it's an open concept. So an open closet here, hanging space, and a shelf. And We are across from the full bathroom. And again, this one has the fun mirror. I think that's a nice touch in this room. All right, let's go see the next room. This is room C. We're across from the half bathroom, closer to the main entrance of the apartment. And this one has, you can see, a built-in shelf. So it's a very tall shelf that's built in. That means it's fixed. You can't move the location of it. This one has a closet with a door. So that's a little different here in this one. You can see the inside of the closet. So again, this apartment in particular, the rooms have different setups for the closets and bookshelves and shelving. So if that's something that is important for you, pay attention to what room has what. Okay, let's see the next room. Room D is directly across from the entry door. That's that white door on the left. And this is room D, so we're right next to the living room. Let's go on in here. And you can see the rooms will always have a desk and chair, a dresser, and then shelving of some sort. So in this one, again, sometimes it's a bookshelf, sometimes it's the built-in shelving. This one, again, has built-in shelving and another open closet. You're certainly welcome to put some sort of curtain or cover in front of it with a tension rod. That's certainly a welcome addition in there if you'd like to decorate that way. All right, let's pass through the living space again, and the front rooms are right next to each other. These rooms are both facing to the east. So we'll do the one on the left first. This is room E. These rooms are going to be a little more narrow, and this one in particular has the widest closet space, so that's a nice feature. Let's go on in and take a look at that. So it's with a door, and it's a super wide closet. It goes pretty far both directions. It's kind of cool. And I want to show you where we are, where our position is here in Central Collegetown. You can see Cascadilla Hall right across from us there. That's Dryden Road going up the street, and directly across from us is the original Eddy Street gate to the university. So you can see we've got a great position here in Central Collegetown. This one also has a huge built-in shelf over here, so much shelving. That's really a ton of space. You can see it's higher than the door. Let's go on over. This apartment has really high ceilings too, which is nice. It makes it feel very open and airy. And this is the last bedroom. This is room F. So similar view to the last one that we were in. Another closet with a door. So you can see that right over there. And another built-in shelf. And one more view up Dryden Road. So there we go, Cascadilla, Dryden Road once again. And another very tall set of built-in shelves. So that's a look at Ace's Apartments. We're in apartment number 3. We're on the 3rd floor of this building. So we've come up 2 flights of interior stairs. You can watch the video with that has the overview of the building to kind of see how the building fits together. So we've got renovated kitchen, renovated full bathroom, renovated shower room, washer and dryer, gorgeous views from the fire escape off the back of the apartment. And we are located just across the street from the original Eddy Street gate entrance to the university, right here in Central Collegetown.